Hi, and welcome to JCMS.NET Video Help. Today we're going to cover dashboards and in particular statistics. Please make sure that your taskbar is out, click on dashboards, and then click on statistics. Statistics is a basic breakdown of how the court is trending in terms of violations as well as judgments. So let's go ahead and populate this. But before we do, let's talk about some of the options that you have. You can certainly look at your statistics for the fiscal year to date, month to date, and then custom dates. So what we'll go ahead and try to do is fiscal year to date. Oops, there we go. And we'll go ahead and run the statistics report. There's not much information here, so what we'll do is we'll go right to a custom date. Let's take a look at the statistics over a fair amount of time. There we go. From May to today. There we go. There we go. Now we have a fair amount of information. So the very first pane basically tells us the total number of tickets, the violations, the number of tickets with multiple violations on them, the face value, the amount paid, and the balance. It gives you a very quick snapshot of the date range we're looking at. The pane to its right is the top 10 violations. The top 10 violations in terms of count. So violation code 2 was written out 1,571 times. Okay. Now, the bottom portion is the top fined violations. In this particular case, it is by face value. You'll notice that 54,000, 47,000. It just so happens both of them are in sync, but you will notice a difference. For example here, unlawful possession, consumption of alcoholic beverages was written out 91 times for a face value of $17,000, which is fairly significant. And although over here it showed up rather low on our list, that's why we provide the top 10 violations by count as well as by fine amount. And lastly, let's talk about the top 10 judgments. Guilty was issued 2,037 times. No judgment is exactly that, no judgment. These tickets have not been heard or been in front of a judge. And then guilty by default, 210 times. If you wish to see this in report format, please click on the report button, and a one-page report will print out for the date range in question. Thank you for using JCMS.NET Video Help.